Good morning, thanks for joining us. My name's Gary from the Wondertex sales team. We're here in our bespoke training facility in Tamworth to show you how our Prem Fill and Finish product works and all the versatile things it can do. Joined with me today is Alan Collins, our technical manager and site support guy. He's here to demonstrate the product and I hope you enjoy what you see. So before we begin, let me tell you a little bit about Wondertex. We've been manufacturing expert decorative solutions for 50 years now, and I've been part of it for 30 years myself. We produce it in our state-of-the-art UK manufacturing plant near Tamworth in Staffordshire. So going back to the fill and finish, it's available in two size bags, a 15 kg and a 7.5. It's suitable for all projects and it's very versatile. It's so easy to use, so easy to sand. There's minimal shrinkage, which will save you time and money on each project. And it's very cost effective, which you will notice when you get your receipt. So let's get on to the demo. To mix the Prem Fill and Finish, Alan is using a spiral paddle mixer. However, if you're mixing a smaller quantity, you can easily mix by hand. Always use clean water. The suggested mixing ratio is 1 part water to 1.75 parts powder. That works out at 4.5 litres of water to 7.5 kg of powder. Continue to stir until free from lumps. Always leave to stand for 5 minutes and then mix up again. So this is the Wondertex Prem Fill and Finish mixed to 4.5 litres of water to 7.5 kilos of the Prem Fill and Finish. This gives you a nice creamy paste ready for applying to the tapes. So Alan's applying the filler to the tape, obviously with the ultimate aim of hiding it. If you do mix the product too thin, it will run down the wall obviously, and it will crack. If you mix it unevenly, you sometimes get dry bits in the mix, so make sure you mix thoroughly, otherwise you will get dry residue from the bottom of the bucket. So it's important that you use a bucket with a flat base as well. So Alan's just covering the tape with the first coat. And once he's covered that with an even mix, then it's ready to dry, and he will come back and do a second coat to completely lose the sight of the tape. So Alan's now applying a second coat to the joint he did earlier. This would have set and dried within a couple of hours, depending on conditions of the room he's working in. Once this has then set and dried, he will come back to it to sand down for finishing. The Wondertex Prem Fill and Finish has a working time of 60 minutes and after 1 to 2 hours it should be touch dry and ready to sand. As you can see, it's very easy to sand and requires little effort to create that seamless joint. Now that it's been sanded, it's ready for a mist coat, and then after the mist coat you'll do your final coats of paints. So Alan's now going to show the versatility of the product. He's got some screw heads to cover, it's got some dents in the board to cover. It can also attach coving. It's a very versatile product and obviously very cost effective as well. There you go, just apply as much as you need. For our next part of the demonstration, we're going to show how to hide an external corner joint, and for that we would use the Wondertex prem tape. Prem tape is such a great product. The best description I can give it is that it's angle bead on a roll. It's a space-saving device as there's no long lengths of steel in the van. It's just a small box in the back of the van. There's no wastage as it's cut to length. It's very strong and robust. It's available in 30-meter rolls. It's very versatile and will do any angles. So Alan's going to cut the tape now. It comes in 30-meter rolls, and we cut it exactly to size so there's no wastage. He's using tin snips, which are the preferred way of cutting. So we're now going to go through how to hide the external corner joint. Alan's getting some prem fill and finish to apply to each side of the joint. As you can see, it glides down beautifully. This is to stick the tape to the corner. So Alan's now just finishing his first application of the prem fill and finish. It won't matter if he puts too much on, as this will all get squeezed out once the tape's fixed. So Alan's now applying the prem tape to the external corner. This will give you a strong, robust edge to your wall. And now he's squeezing the excess material out of the product, and he's working from the middle and up and down. This is so that the tape doesn't move whilst doing this. For this demo, Alan is using a wide blade knife. However, don't get bogged down with what tools to use. If you're more comfortable with a corker and a filling knife rather than trowels and knives, that's not a problem. Alan is now putting a second coat over the prem tape to level up the joint. Once this is set and is touch dry, it's ready for sanding and subsequent painting. As you can see, using the prem tape and the prem fill and finish, it's a really simple and easy way to create a seamless external joint. As before, after the product is set and touch dry, it's ready for the next stage of decorating. An important and sometimes overlooked use for the prem fill and finish is the smoothing over of unwanted textured ceilings and walls. It's easy to apply, one coat for a light pattern such as a stipple, but a second and third wetter coat for thicker patterns such as broken leather or a deep comb pattern. If you follow our advice, you shouldn't have any problems using our products. However, if you do come across any issues, our site support team are there to talk through any difficulties you may have, and we'll visit site if required. We love prem fill and finish, and we think you will too, but don't take our word for it. Here's what a couple of our customers have had to say about the product. Prem Fill and Finish is just one of the products we offer. Also available from Wondertex is a range of cost-effective and time-efficient solutions for decorative texturing and coving applications. You can find out more about the entire Wondertex range by visiting our website wondertex.co.uk. Prem Fill and Finish is available from decorators and builders merchants up and down the country. To find your nearest stockist, please send us an email to wondertex@instarmac.co.uk. We hope you've enjoyed watching our demo today. If you would like to receive a free sample of the Prem Fill and Finish, please email us your details, and thanks for watching.